Most people think you need to be a developer to work in Dynamics 365. That's not true. And in this video, I'll show you exactly what a D365 administrator does and how you can get started too. Hi, my name is Summer and I'm a D365 system administrator. I've started this channel to share the tips that I've learned along the way and to help anyone who wants to break into this role. Whether you're already working with D365 or just curious about how to start, you'll find practical advice here. Okay, so what is D365? D365 is a Microsoft cloud based platform that helps businesses manage everything from finance and supply chains to sales and customer service, all in one place. So there's two sides to Dynamics. You can either be on the CRM side or the ERP side. The CRM side is more sales and the ERP is more supply chain, the warehouse. It's just up to you which you prefer. So I recommend doing some research there. A Dynamic 365 system administrator makes sure that the system runs smoothly and securely. That means controlling who has access and managing the environments in LCS, deploying partner solutions, and keeping the system up to date. Being a D365 admin is a solid career. There is a lot of demand for people who actually know how to keep these systems running. And once you've got the basics down, you can branch out into consulting, development, or even a solution architect. The pay is really good, and a lot of roles let you work from home. So it's one of those jobs that can really grow with you. Right, that's it for now. I'm here to share my D365 admin tips and help you get started in the role. Subscribe and drop a comment with what you want me to cover next. See you in the next one.